Engine 7. Wow, this sucker's going. Really going. Sucker's really going. This is the way it was when you first pulled up. Crews are going in now. Wow. Well, they're getting water on it.
Engine 7. Community, this is Engine 7. We're coming in up the back stairwell going to the second floor. Please say report from the occupants, everyone's out.
Is everybody out of the apartment?
I don't know about them.
Okay.
But they're not. I smell something weird. They're knocking on our door too.
Okay. And you did? Was there an explosion or anything? Or?
I don't know, 'cause I just smelled something weird. And I thought it was actually this building because of the fire, the flames.